This is the story of how I lost my YouTube channel. On September 23rd, 2023, I left my home and headed to church to get some blessing. While I was at church for about 2 hours, I took my phone out to show one of my friends a video on Instagram. After showing my friend that video, I said I was going to go on YouTube to show him my earnings for the current month. I opened the YouTube Studio application and I realized that my account was signed out. To my knowledge, I knew the night before that I checked my earnings and I knew I did not sign out of the device. However, I said, okay, maybe I did sign out. So I tried signing back into YouTube Studio, and there I was hit with the shocking error message. Your password was changed an hour ago. In that instance, my heart started to cave in, and I started to sweat because 1, I was fearful that my YouTube account was really compromised. And 2, was I really going to lose all my hard work over the years? I tried signing back in over and over, minute after minute, hour after hour. My hands were shaking and I was nervous. Then I said, let me call the Google headquarters to see if they can help me. I dialed their hotline and went through the steps to get to customer service. After I was connected to the line, I was greeted with the disappointing news from Google's automated bot. The bot said, "We do not do account recovery over the phone. However, please go to google.com/recovery to recover your account. Goodbye." At that moment, there was just silence between me and the phone, and my body got numb. I could not hear anything around me, and I also felt like I was going to pass out. Church was now finished, and I rushed home to see if I could use my desktop to reset my account or try to gain access again. I tried and tried and tried, but no sign of hope. I emailed Google, I went on Instagram and messaged them, I went on Twitter and DM'd them, and there was just no luck. I had given up by this time. It was September 28th, 2023. I woke up to go to work, and I said, I wonder if the hacker deleted the pages yet, and to my surprise, there was no search history of my YouTube channel. All my work was just deleted in one go. I was depressed all day at work. I could not even take lunch. I did not eat anything for the whole day. On Sunday, I woke up in a good mood. I did some laundry and I cleaned my computer. And I said to myself, maybe God is just showing me a sign or testing me to see how determined I was. So I came back to the computer and said, I am going to start YouTube again. So if you are seeing this video, here I am, again giving this another shot. But I have learned a valuable lesson here, because I believe my account was not secure enough to keep these hackers out. And I realized that they really do not care about others' hard work or feelings.